Hello! Another day and another watch to review. After almost 3 weeks, dumating din. Pinakahihintay natin, dumating din. Oo, I ordered this from overseas. Ordered through Lazada. Finally, it's here, so we're going to unbox it. It is a still dive watch. At makikita natin na ang kanilang packaging ay napakasimple. Although protected from the elements, plastic box, no? Typical nating nakikita when we are procuring mga things like flashlight, pen lights, and so on. But of course, this one contains the watch from Still Dive. Bago natin ituloy ang ating review, meron muna akong gustong itanong sa inyo. At ito ay, napanood nyo na ba ang isang Vietnam War film starring Martin Sheen? We can see from this particular shot. Yan, kitang-kita natin. Ang relong suot ay, kung tawagin natin, ay Seiko Captain Willard. Sa matagal na panahon na inilabas ng Seiko ang particular model na ito, hindi Captain Willard ang tawag dito. However, when people started noticing that the character of Martin Sheen was actually wearing this watch in this movie, and the character of Martin Sheen here is called Captain Willard, they started calling this particular model the Seiko Captain Willard model. And matagal na itong hindi pinoproduce ng Seiko. However, ang isang micro-brand na kung tawagin natin ay Still Dive decided to do a homage of this particular Seiko watch. And they came up with something very beautiful and very close and similar to the original Captain Willard of Seiko. And maybe even better. You know why? Because a Captain Willard, as I heard, would cost around probably $2,000. But this one, below $100. Buksan na natin. Oops! Ang una nating makikita ay instruction manual. Still Dive. Ang sunod ay warranty card. Unsa man nidong. At ang pangatlo ay extra links ng bracelet. Ang pang-apat ay isang mekanismo sa pagtanggal at pagdagdag ng mga links, which is very useful so that you can do it at home. Hindi na kayo magbabayad ng 100 para lang magpa-adjust ng bracelet. And finally, the Still Dive Captain Willard homage. Ayan, no? Ang ganda. And the beauty about this one is that makikita natin ang asymmetric design dito, no? Medyo nakababa ng konti ang crown. And the whole idea about this particular quirk is para hindi madaling masagi-sagi ang ating crown. Kasi medyo rugged ang design ng isang Captain Willard watch. At meron ding guard, no? So double protection, naka out of the way na, meron pang guard which is part of the lug. Ilalagay natin dito ang mga specifications ng watch na ito from its case size, the lug to lug, and the size of the bracelet. What is impressive about this is actually an automatic watch with an NH35 Seiko movement. Japanese ang movement nito, even if the Still Dive company is actually emanating from mainland China. Pero ang movement nito, Seiko NH35, hindi mo matatawaran. The crystal is sapphire. Sapphire ito with anti-reflective coating in the inside. So, maganda rin na hindi ka masyadong nasisilaw sa reflection and very clear mo makikita ang dial. Everything else is almost identical to a Captain Willard Seiko original watch. But what's interesting about this particular watch that I got is that you actually have the option of getting the variation or the version that does not show at all the name of Steel Dive in the dial. Ayan nakalagay lang yung automatic at yung kanyang water resistance pero walang logo at all ng Steel Dive. Let's see how it looks kapag isinuot. Ayan. Ang ganda, di ba? Captain Willard by Steel Dive. Panalo ka rito. Panalo ka sa design dahil homage. Panalo ka pa sa presyo dahil below $100 rather than paying about $2,000 for this beautiful, beautiful watch. Steel din ang kanyang bracelet at the clasp that you will see here is the same exactly as how a Seiko Captain Willard would look like. Napakaganda. Napaka-smooth ng pagkakagawa. Napakakinis. Walang magagaspang na parte. Medyo semi-brushed ang kanyang lug. Hindi siya sobrang kinang na parang mapagkunwari. Ito ay tamang-tama lang, medyo brushed ng konti. 120 clicks ng bezel.